What's up guys, welcome back to the Karuna film. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook the ramen noodle soup if you want to have a very delicious. So this is the video for you. So I'm going to show you guys step by step. So here I have a ramen noodle soup. So you can use any noodle soup basically, and you need whole milk, 2 pieces of cheese and ramen noodle, and 2 pieces of egg, and I need some whole milk. Okay, that's what I need. Okay, so first thing first, I'm here making hot water. So make sure you boil hot water. Open it. Okay, let me remove masala. Okay, my water is boiling. I'm gonna put here. Cut this one. Gonna cut, or sauce, whatever you call. You cut this one too. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna put this. Now I'm gonna put eggs. You can put 1 egg or 2 eggs, whatever you like. So now I'm gonna put some whole milk. You can put more, you can add more milk if you like. So definitely you can put more milk if you want. Now you're gonna cook for 5 minutes with a medium heat. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna add cheese. 1 slice, 2 slice. You can put 2, 3 if you like. Just cook it for 1 more minute. That's be it.